Welcome to our YouTube channel Code Engines. So in the last session we discussed about the multi-thread, how we can use that, and what is the benefit of that. So today I will show you multiprocessing. Why multiprocessing? So as the name suggests, we will run multi-processes, means process more than one process. Why more than one process? So suppose if I have two processes, so if I will wait to complete first process, then I will start the second process. Okay, so that is not a good thing. Okay, so how I can do? So I can run the processes parallelly. Okay, and why I want to run that parallelly? So I can use every core of my CPU. In the CPU, we have core, like if you have listened, 8 core systems, 16 core, okay. So that we have in our CPUs. So I want to occupy all the cores of my CPU so I can run processes parallelly. So if we want to achieve multi-thread, so if you have not watched the video, so watch that firstly. We need to import the multi-thread package. Now here I need to import the multi-process. Why? Because today we will do the multi-process. Okay. And I will import time, multi-process and time. So if I will run this, now I can open a different tab. Okay. After that, what I can do, I can maybe here only I can do dev. Okay, it's not multi-process, multi-processing. Okay, so it's multi-processing. So now I will create a method square. Okay, or so here what I will do, I will create a loop range of 5 and I will print a square. Okay, and this is cube. Okay, and that line, what I can do, I can just use that before the print, and this is also before the print. Okay, now till here everything is fine. Okay, what I will do now, I will create a process, multiprocessing process. Target is square, first method name. Then I different process p2 multiprocessing dot process target equal to cube. Okay, then target equal to cube. Then I need to start the both process. I need to join the process. So wait process to complete, start the processes, create the processes. Okay, now for you what I can do, I can create t1, so time, and here finish time, and then total time. You will see the output. Okay, so here we got the output. Now what we got here, so instead of that, what you can do, you can use F format, and here you can use square, then I multiply I. Okay, here also you can use F format, so F string format I will use cube. I am multiplying by I. Now I can run. Okay, so total timing is 5 seconds. Trust me, guys, when you will run that code in the Visual Studio, what you can do, you can go in the task manager. And when you will go in the task manager, you will see the different processes. Okay, the different processes will run. So how we can see what process is running? You can go in the task manager, and in the task manager, you will see that your Visual Studio is running, your browser is running, whatever application you have open that is running. So you will see a task with the Python name. Okay, so you will see there the multi-process is running. Okay, so you can do that. Now I am running that code on the Google Colab, so that's why I don't know here how I can see, but here we can achieve the multiprocessing by that, because when I was learning the Python, so I did that in the Visual Studio before, when I start my career. So this is how you can start a process, how you can do that. Same thing we have with the multi-threading also. If you have not watched the previous video, I can show you. Okay, so here you can see I have imported the thread. Instead of that, I have replaced that with the multiprocessing. Here is threading. Same method, two methods. By the threading, I am creating thread. So here, by the multiprocessing, I am creating process. Same thing we have start, join, finish time, then total time. Okay. So the same thing, I think if you have watched the last video, so it's not difficult for you. So that's it for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel if it's helpful for you.